Initially enacted by the United States Congress in 1992, the Mammography Quality Standards Act sought to galvanize the entire country into delivering a unified level of high-quality mammography for early breast cancer detection by setting standards for mammography facilities, including personnel qualifications, equipment, quality assurance, and record keeping. Before then, it was determined as high as 1 in every 3 mammograms was of inferior quality. But did you know that after over 30 years and 1 billion mammograms throughout the United States later, the MQSA is still at work and getting ready to mark another significant step forward in unifying the delivery of mammography nationwide? Hello, it's Rick, and I'd like to invite you to join me in this mini moment about the standardization of breast density reporting and notification in all mammograms. The updated Mammography Quality Standards Act regulations have unified the patchwork of state laws concerning breast density notifications into a national standard. Before this, certain states had varied requirements for informing patients about their breast density. This led to inconsistent practices and patient awareness nationwide. Sadly, some states had absolutely no regulations, despite years of grassroots efforts to gain the attention of state lawmakers to pay attention to this vital topic. Despite the fact breast density is a significant factor because dense breast tissue can mask tumors on mammograms and is associated with an increased risk of breast cancer. Updates to the Mammography Quality Standards Act set a new national minimum standard for breast density notification effective September 10, 2024. This ensures that all patients receiving mammograms and their referring healthcare providers are informed about their breast density and its implications. This national standard mandates that all mammography facilities provide transparent and standardized information about breast density. It ensures that every patient receives the same vital information about their breast health, regardless of where she lives. These regulations aim to enhance patient education and awareness by setting a minimum requirement. Patients with dense breasts are encouraged to discuss their breast density with their healthcare providers to understand the implications and potential need for additional screening. It is essential to point out that while the national law sets a minimum standard, it allows states to create or uphold more stringent regulations. This concept of state autonomy means any state with existing comprehensive breast density notification laws, or one that would like to create one, can maintain its own higher standards, ensuring that patients receive the most thorough information and care possible as long as it meets the national standards. This new requirement significantly impacts each of the key stakeholders involved in mammography. The interpreting physician must now ensure that breast density information is included in every mammogram report using one choice from the designated MQSA Overall Breast Density Lexicon. This standardization helps provide consistent information, enhancing referring healthcare providers and patient understanding and compliance with follow-up recommendations. Primary care physicians and other healthcare providers must be ready to discuss the implications of breast density with patients and guide them in making informed decisions about additional screening options. They must also promote a collaborative approach to patient care and improve the overall management of breast health and early detection strategies. Mammography facilities must update their protocols to comply with the new national standards and ensure that all patients are informed and appropriately communicated about the breast density reported on their mammograms. Meanwhile, the national standard ensures that all patients receive crucial information about their breast health, enabling them to make informed decisions and proactively manage their health. The public offered many comments about the regulations associated with breast density. When analyzed, these comments fell into 2 primary categories. The first addressed comments about patient guidance, such as including the next steps in the patient notification and adding, modifying, or removing specific phrases in the standardized wording of the patient notification or regulations. The second category directed its comments toward other more general topics, including suggestions that the FDA should support creating evidence-based guidelines and educational materials for caring for patients with dense breasts and minimizing breast density notifications for non-dense categories. The FDA carefully evaluated each comment and clearly stated its position, often adopting, revising, or adding the recommendations made by commenters. In cases where the FDA disagreed or held a specific preference different than the one offered, it provided a distinct and well-articulated rationale for its decision to maintain the regulations as written. Understanding the updated MQSA regulations and the significant step forward in standardizing breast density notifications across the United States is vital for every mammography practice. This milestone now ensures that all mammography patients will be uniformly informed about their breast density and its implications for breast cancer screening, no matter where they obtain their mammogram in the United States. This will ultimately further the level of quality that this nation's mammography facilities are able to deliver to their patients. If you like this, please give it a like. Also, make sure to subscribe for more bite-sized information about other mini moments. Do you have an opinion or idea about something you want to hear about? Please leave us a comment. To get references to the information used here, check out the link to our Knowledge Hub below. Until next time, continue striving to enhance patient outcomes by delivering compassionate and precise breast imaging care.